1997, I took up fine arts dito. 2001 nung gumraduate ako sa USTE. Today, I will share work wisdom para sa mga kakagraduate lang. Get ready. Hit it! Be the best. Sa kahit anong larangan, strive na maging ikaw ang authority. Be ready. Darating at darating ang opportunity. So dapat handa ka pag dumating yun. Show up. Simple lang yun. Ang tatlong ito napulot ko kay Mr. C. Thanks, Mr. C. Nadadaan lahat sa charm, good looks, and connections. Pero mapapataob mo sila sa talent and perseverance. Don't waste your sweldo sa endless gadget upgrades. Use your credit cards wisely. Invest in your health. Make your boss's life easy and you will be promoted. Be open with piracy. Up your market value, but never use it to fake your resignation. If gabi-gabi kang OT, mahina ang boss mo. You can die for your company, but no company will die for you. Be kind sa lahat. Ang junior ngayon, big boss na bukas. Walang may alam ng sagot. So speak up sa meetings if you feel strongly about it. Binibigay ang posisyon sa taong gumagawa na ng role. Identify saan ka magaling, tapos galingan mo palalo. What you'll learn from your mentor is greater than what you'll earn from your company. Choose your boss well. There will always be politics. Learn to identify, then don't be one of them. Compare yourself sa iba, so you know the standards. Compete only with yourself. Never let anyone insult you. Be kind to guards, staff, and messengers. Pareho lang naman kayo sumusweldo. Be respectful of everyone's time. Work should not be your source of self-worth. Di mo kailangan mag-yossi pag nag-yossi ang boss. Don't upgrade your lifestyle pag nagkaka-increase. Habang maaga, kuha ka na ng insurance. Mura pa yun. Buy stocks or property once maging senior ka. Ang office na may bidet sa CR cares. Huwag magsipag para sa boss na tamad. Wala ka sa opisina para mag-ipon ng friends. Bonus kung magkaroon ka ng di sinasadya. Make clients like you, but don't kiss their asses. Call your mom randomly during break. Right mo mag-VL. Gamitin mo. Huwag mahiya umalis on time if tapos ka na. O nasa Pinoval na tayo Plan your retirement early. Hit it! Hanap ka ng life outside of work. Think twice pag bibili ng kotse. Mabilis mawala ang value nito. Don't fall in love with an office mate. Pero alam ko gagawin mo pa rin. Hey! Don't be mapusok. Buy a nice blazer. Be considerate sa ingay. Mag-headphones. Huwag kang magnakaw ng ideas. Kadiri yun. In the end, di nagmamatter kung saan ka nagtapos. Are you listening? Listening? Use your 13th month wisely. Family is always more important than work. Drink water. Libre yan. Punuan mo yung tumbler mo. Pag na-overwhelm, compartmentalize. Work smart. Keep a daily to-do list. Dadali ang buhay. Google Sheets or Excel is your friend. Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Budget, 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 budget. Say no when needed. Don't always say yes. Listen to your boss. Don't go to a presentation unprepared. Basic. Take down notes. Take down notes. Set goals with your boss. Pag-usapan niyo yun, okay? List down accomplishments and use them pag-evaluation. A. Leave the company if there's no growth. Set realistic boundaries. Mag-stretching. Dapitan na tayo, guys. Adapt. Be flexible. Stay curious. Office mates come and go. Remember that. Say sorry if you have to send work message late or on a weekend. Be output-oriented. Laging may pinanggagalingan ang bawat isa. Daig ng tamad ang masipag. Still, be masipag. Hey, list down what you need to say in meetings. Sinabi ko na ba yung kanina? Para hindi pa. Smile. Wait lang, magbigay-pugay muna tayo sa UST. Okay, let's go. Hoy, ang dami na ito Pero sige, dagdagan pa natin. Ipagpabukas ang pwedeng ipagpabukas. Okay? Magmasungit sa dapat sungitan. Alam ng boss pag fini-fake mo ang SL. Gawain din niya yan dati. secret lang yan. Treat yourself once in a while. Deserve mo yan. Everyone's always looking for great talent. So galingan mo. Help an office mate whenever you can. Have fun pag Christmas parties. Find a safe space inside. Pero huwag kayo magchismisan masyado. Importante ang 30s, so don't waste that decade. Take it from me. Dress good, feel good. Nasa office ka, wala ka sa charity. Remember that. Junior years are meant to teach you how to be hardworking. Iklian lang ang mga emails. Nakakatamad basawin. Change your Viber DP to VL pag naka-VL. Make the big boss laugh. They need it. Pag nagkamali, umamin, mag-sorry, and be better next time. Sa panahon ng AI, be human. Yun lang. Good luck.